network issues are there because of raining and in actually internet also having a problems.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, like guys, like this, my plan, even including yesterday, I discussed with Madhu sir also, because last batch we done like this by taking one topic, discuss something which is completed topic. So next time onwards also 10-15 minutes I will ask the question about a previously completed course, like including Linux hardware and networking, then Windows 10, like that I will mix the questions. I will ask the questions also in technical and general questions also. Okay, so try to tell an answers, either I will ask one person or maybe I will ask in group also. So try to tell an answer, don't need to feel think like you are telling a wrong answer kind of stuff. Okay, tell the answer, that's it. So simply how you tell answer, even it is correct or wrong, so we don't know, never think like that. You know the answer, just tell an answer, that's it. If you don't know the answer, try to give an answer, no problem. So we will practice like that only. Okay, now class, how to identify which class you are belongs to it, based on based on
Class B.
Priority.
based on
C.
first octet. Based on first octet you can identify which class it is. We can identify which class it is. So totally there is a 5 classes, total IP addresses from
Right.
0.0.0 to 255.255 to 55. The total range, which we write in big range, right, earlier. So the total range is, sorry. Okay, it is recording is going on. I thought it is no recording. Okay, so yeah, total IP addresses, total 4.3 billion IP addresses are divided into 5 classes. So the class is based on first octet only, so not based on a second and third octet. So second and third octet, any number can be there. Second, third, fourth, any number can be there. But what is the number value? Based on that, we can understand which class it is. Here, I will give you a thing like a priority bit kind of stuff only. The starting one is okay. The range of octet is, what is the range of octet?
Total 255.
Very good. 0
0
to
to
255.
255.
255. Okay, so this is binary 0. The starting is 0. Binary 0. Okay, here,
127.
yeah, right, correct. So the first 0, the most significant 0, the 0 is a constant. So it will follow the 0 will be like that. Okay, so when you write, all remaining are ones, like this. So 0 and 0. But here it is, all are become remaining, these zeros are like this. The range is 0 to 127.
But there will be a lot of disturbance, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Ramesh, mute yourself.
Okay. So this is 0 to 127. If you check some test works, it shows it's a 1 to 126. Test works or internet you are searching, 1 to 126 is there. There is a reason to tell like this, but actual one is 0 to 127 only. Okay. So what is the next number of this one? 7 ones, 1 0, like it is there. So what is the next number? 1 0 0 0 0 0. And here the first two are constant, means same, it will follow like this. like this. So the first one is 128. So what is the value of this one? Okay, I will give 191.
191.
Okay, 191.
0.255.
So what is the next value of this one? So these are all ones, become 0, and this 0 become 1. 1 1 0 0 0 0 0. Then here the first three are not changed. The first three are not changed. See, here it is. Here is a 0. Here is a 0. Here is 1 0 1 0. Means class B first two bits not changing. Class C first three are not changing. First three are not changing. Same as this one. But remaining is become ones. The value is 192. The next value is
223.
223. If you don't know how to translate a binary value, also I will tell. If you know, also I will tell how to translate binary to decimal or decimal to binary. So here the next value of next binary number is this one. So these are all become zeros. This 0 become 1. So 3 will 1 and then 5 zeros. Here it is. So here 0, 1 0, 1 1 and first 3. Sorry, this is 4, right? So class D, right? 1 2 3 4. So this is constant. Remaining is same. So 1, so 224, 239. The value is 239. This value is 239. So what is the next value? So as a binary, these are a 4 member, 4 1 1 1 1. So this 0 become 1. Then all are zeros. The last value is last value only, means all are ones only.
As D should become 1110 00003 no sir.
Like this, you are telling like this.
No, class D upper in the upper one.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me, tell me.
Class D here, range should be 4 ones no sir.
Sir, converting the decimal number into the binary number system, just we have to do the LCM by 2. That's it, no, sir. We have to take the reverse order from bottom to up. That's the binary code, right, sir?
One second. So you're telling like if you have a 17, you're telling like this.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, right.
Ah,
So
yeah, sir.
this is the one way to translate convert, but I will tell another way.
Yeah.
But how to do this one?
Sir?
How to do this one? Tell me steps.
2 8 16, sir, and the remainder is 1.
Remainder is 1.
If you go on to 2, 2 4, sir, and 0.
Hmm.
Next, you have to take again 2, it's 2 2, sir, and again the remainder is 0. Next, if you take 2 table again, it's 1, and the remainder is 0, right?
Hmm.
And you have to take the binary code and you have to take in the reverse order. That
Reverse
is
order.
I 0 1 0 1. I think so.
Next. First,
It is
you have to
correct,
write
sir.
this one here.
Sir, I'm not getting your voice properly, sir.
You have to write this one, the last one, here. Then this is this one. This is this one. Reverse order. Right? Okay. My voice is not. Are you able to hear?
Sir, it's clear, sir. Yes, sir. Maybe.
Okay. So this
Alright,
is the way to convert decimal to binary but I don't follow that one. I don't use this one, but this is required your pen and paper kind of stuff. Okay, I use different code. We'll discuss that one later, not now, because it disconnect the flow. So 0 0 0 finish, like this is correct one only. Okay, so this is the ranges, guys. You may not remember this one, so no problem, but you must remember these values, decimal values compulsory. Remember, whether you study or by heart, so I don't mind about it, but compulsory you should study. Here in a classes, the class A, class B, class C are unique cast address. Unique cast address. Class C, class D used for multicast purpose. I think already I told what is the multicast and unicast. Class
Yes,
A,
sir.
class B, class C for unicast. Yeah, tell me. Class E is mostly in a textbook. It shows like a R&D, okay, or maybe a specific department. So we don't use class E in the network communication, in general network communications. We use class A, class B, class C only, and class D for a multicasting. Example, Windows deployment services, like I want to install operating system through network, like a 10 systems are there, 10 system I want to install a operating system. Okay, 10 systems through network I want to install operating system. Normally how you install operating system? CD, DVD, pen drives, we install Windows 10 like that, right? But if you want to install operating system through network, so server to network directly we can able to install. In that situation, automatically a multicast address will work. The 10 system works with a single IP address only. 10 systems works with a single IP address when it is deploying. That's it. Including Linux is also there. And different routing protocols are there. RIP version 2, EIGRP, OSPF. These protocols, when we use in the router, routing protocols, when you use these routing protocols, they have their own dedicated multicast address is there. So when these protocols working in those routers, they exchange the information with a multicast address. It means like a group communication. Multicast means like a group communication. Group means in a particular protocol, if that protocol is there in that these 10 devices, so they will communicate each other and they are working each other. My audio
Excuse me, sir.
is, yeah, tell me.
Sir, after looking at a particular IP address, how will you categorize it, whether it is class A, B, C, D, or D?
Very good question. So now, okay,
Only through the numbers. The
yeah, through the
first
numbers only. First octet, first octet. Look at the IP address, first octet, first part, and check the range. If it is in the range, it is belongs to that class only. Okay. So one more point I will tell, and we'll go to the small exercise. So identification. Okay. Class A, class
Sir,
B, class C. I said unicast, right? What is this unicast? Each device having a
single system,
separate
but
IP
different
address.
public IP address.
No. Separate IP address. It means network is same, but host address is different.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Or router, sir.
No, we don't go with router that much, but unicast means addressing someone a particular one. For example, uh, ask a question to Rahul, for example. So I ask a question from me, Latif, to Rahul. Communication. Rahul, so what is the IP address? So that is called a unicast, a specific a person or a device we are communicating. Like PCA B C. For example, A want to send a packet to C. It means it is sending to C only, not everyone, or not in a group also. So this is called a unicast address. Identify all devices having a separate IP addresses. All are in same network, of course, and we are sending a message to 14 only, 1.14 only. It means I'm telling I'm sending a packet to a particular address only. Okay, not a multiple addresses at a time. Next, what is a multicast? For example, I have a multicast address, something like 101. Just for understanding purpose only, 101. See, all devices having a same IP address. We don't assign the multicast address to the devices, but protocol will manage the different type of protocols will manage with these IP addresses. Think like this. These are all belongs to one one purpose only. It means if I send a message to 101, it means everybody will get that one, like a group message. Like I ask in our group, I put a message in our WhatsApp group. So group people can able to it. All are belongs to one group only. So like that, it's a group IP address type. Okay. Another one is a broadcast is also there. So that we will see again.
Sir, one more thing, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, this class ABCD is for private IP address or public IP address, sir?
Private and public are different. There is a ranges are given for a private IP address purpose. It means in your local communication you can use that ranges, but when you are communicating outside, means public communication through internet, so you have to use
Yes, sir.
public IP address only. So that difference I will tell once again. I need to draw a
No, sir.
diagram. First we'll see.
My question,
Yeah,
my question is, these classes are for public IP address or private IP
both
address?
both
Both,
both
sir.
both. For example,
Okay.
maybe you have an idea, that's why you are asking, so then I'm telling. So this is a private IP address.
Public. This
Private.
is public IP address.
No, private IP address. Private range. Which class it is?
This is class C, sir.
Class C, right?
Class B. Class C.
This is public IP address. Both are in same class, right?
Yes, sir.
Both are in same class. But that is private range, this is public range. So I will explain it. Okay.
No, sir.
So
In my router configuration, sir,
uh,
IP address is 59.91.21.94.
okay.
And what is which class under which class this comes, sir?
Class A.
A.
Class A, no, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
And public IP address.
Yes.
So don't guys don't we'll go to the public and private IP, but first we'll see identification of which class. First, when you see an IP address, so you have to identify which class it is, because lot of parameters depends upon that class also. So we'll see that one. Yeah, one example like okay, good. 69.23.40. Sorry. 123 dot no 149 dot 200 dot 240. Which class it is?
Class A, sir.
Class A, because 69 is in the range of class A range. 0 to 127, 69 is there. We are always look at the first octet. We always look at the first octet for which class it is. For which class it is. Okay. 169 dot 44 dot 100 dot 254. Which class it is?
Class B.
Class
B.
B, right?
B.
It is in between these two. It means class B. The first octet is in between this range, so that is a class B. Mm, which class it is?
C.
Class C. Class C. Because first octet 103 and identify from 103 is class C. Class C range. Okay. So this is the class C 192 223. Any number between that is a class C. Mm, 30. Which class it is?
Class D.
Class D, because it is in the range of class D. So that's why how to identify. Guys, anybody doubt in identifying class? The first octet, when based on first octet, we can understand which class it is. Okay. So this is class A, class B. After some time again I will ask, maybe in afternoon I will ask guarantee. Class C, class D, okay, like this. So I think still need any examples, more example to identify. Which class?
Class B.
Class B. Okay. So always this, remember this one. So you can easily identify. Very good. So guys, if you have any doubt or identification, please let me know. So then I will tell. Okay. So got the
One
point,
more
right?
doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me, tell me.
Sir, these classes also identify the speed of the network, sir.
No, no, no.
No, sir.
Speed of the network
Can be
and
it is
classes, no.
depends on the ISP, sir.
It is a class only, but classes depends on a network size. Already I told what is a network size, right? Depends on size of the network. We can choose what class it is. So that we will go to the next point. So size of the network changes if you choose the a particular class. Okay, good, good, good. So
Yes, sir.
already I told network must be same. Host is a different one. Always, if you say I am in single network, you are in a same network or a single network, same network or a single network. What is the meaning? The network portion should be same. Okay, for example, you take a PCA, PCB, PCC, their network portion same, then they will communicate each other. So otherwise they won't communicate each other. In a single network or a same network, when you are saying that network portion must be same. Okay? If you are in the same network or logically you are in the same network or a single network portion must be same. Guys, without checking, anybody want to tell class A range?
0 to 127, 128 to 192,
Very good. 0 to 127,
128 to 192, 190, 193 to 191, 192 to
yeah, very good.
223.
224.
I'm getting some extra noise, guys. Please check it once.
Yes, sir. It's data also.
Okay. So only three we are using in a direct communication, or maybe assigning IP address. When you come to the assigning IP address or communicating with the devices, we use only class A, class B, class C. Why? Because unicast addresses. Class D, it is not in that one. Class D is a separate protocol, so those kind of stuff separate. No network portion, no host portion. So they work in their way only. So we don't worry about class D much. So class A, class B, class C, unicast address, and compulsory network and host portion is divided. The first octet is a network portion in the class A. Remaining are host portions. Already I told host means a number, right? Means identification of individual person. For example, I given a number to Rahul, Bharat, Nikita, Ramesh, Vishal, Manjusha, like that. I given a number. There's a host number. Network is, for example, batch 5 one number is there, like that. Okay. So we'll see. Here, first two portions are network portions, and next two portions are host portions. So network, host, host, host. Guys, never say NHHH. Never say like that. Okay. So class A, first portion is network portion, remaining are host portion. Like that you can say, or network, host, host, host. Okay. Listen carefully. So class B, first two are network portions, remaining are host portions. Class C, first three are network portions, the last one is host portions. Clear sentence you have to use it. Okay. Or network, 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 host. One more point I will tell, but before that one, again we will practice. Practice network. Yeah, no one is asking break. Don't like it?
About to ask. At sharp 1 o'clock, we'll ask.
Okay. What is a network portion?
8.
What is network portion?
2 networks and 2 hosts.
125.55.
Very good. The first two are network portion. It is a class B. And what is the first one? 145 and dot 55. It is a network portion. Okay. For example,
How can we say that those two are network portions?
yeah, here it is. It's a class B, right? 145.
55. This one. How can we say
First,
that directly by seeing them?
tell me which class it is.
Class B.
Class B,
Class
right?
B.
This is class B, right?
Okay. Okay. So if it is class B, then there will be network.host. So 55 is also network one.
Very good. Good.
So based on the first number, we need to tell that what class it falls under which class and what are the octet positions.
Very good. Yes. First, identify class.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, in 145, 145 identifies the range of the IP address, means under which class it comes. What does 55 signify, sir?
Nothing. Host. No. Network only.
Nothing.
Network only. So
Yes, sir.
55. So is in the network only, but not in a class. Okay. So okay. First, we have to identify which class it is. As you're correct. Say first when you
Yes, sir.
see an IP address, first we have to identify which class it is. Okay. Next,
Yes, sir.
based on that, class A or class B, class C, based on that, we understand which is the network portion, which is the host portion. So first identify which class it is, Then based on the class, we can identify which is the next. Okay, next, based on class, uh, we can understand which one is network portion and host portion. Okay, so host portion means it's a device related, so which is a series number like that. Network means it should be a constant one. So here you ask one question, that is, what is 55 mean? So we'll see that one. 145, 55, 66, 77. This is my an IP address assigned to one PC. One PC, PC1. PC2, 145, 55, 66, 78. PC3, 145, 55, 166, 4. I have these three PCs are there. I assigned to three PCs these IP addresses. Is these PCs can able to communicate each other or not?
Yes, sir. As they all are in same.
Why?
No, the third one is in another network, sir. 166 one.
Very good.
PC1 and PC2 communicate because they are in same network. 66.
So it is showing like a 66, 66. It is 166,
And
right?
yes,
So this is the same,
this one will
but this is a
won't able to
different one.
communicate.
Good, good, good observation.
Yes.
Okay. So which class it is?
Then
Which class it is?
PC3
Class B, which is the network part.
class B. First two are the network part. First two are network.
Right? Got the point, right? Here. So host can be
Yes, sir.
anything, but network must be same, right? So first two must be same. This can be some number, okay? Some little bit difference or more difference, anything. So first two are same from here to here,
Sir.
and here to here. In these three, first two are same.
Yes.
It means all are in same network only.
Class B.
So irrespective of your host address, important first point is make sure that network portion must be same. So if you see like this number, like a different number, it does not mean it is a different network. So if devices in the same network, so they will communicate each other. So network portion same, they will communicate each other. Of course there is another few things are there, but so we ignore extra points, but understand the first point. I have a PC for 145, 56, 66, 79. Now
No,
PC4 can communicate with the PC1, 2, 3.
No.
No, sir.
Why?
Because different network.
Where?
Different network, sir.
Where?
Same
55,
56.
56.
Yeah, in second octet,
145.
56 is there.
Second octet network changes, sir.
So it is in a
Network
different network because of the second octet
Different
changes the network. So it is become other network. Even it is showing like 66, 79 like this, but if you see, first network portion is same, but another network, second network portion is different. So this is won't communicate with others. PC1, 2, 3. PC5.
Sir, sir, is there any classification for second octet too?
No classification. No classification. Only network or not. That's it.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Good. Now, is this PC5 can able to communicate 1, 2, 3, 4? Sorry, 1, 2, 3?
No. No, sir.
No, why?
It's a different network, 145, 146.
That's different.
Okay, so the first octet is become 146. So you need to check other things also. The it is not in the same network. But second octet is same from here to here. Is PC4, PC5 can communicate? No.
Sir, is it same? No, no.
Why?
Same
Because
first
coming
octet.
binary network is not same.
Very good.
Priority should be at the first.
Yeah, priority. It's not like that. It's a in the if you say first portion itself different, even though second portion is same, but first L is also a different. So then compulsory
Both
both the
should be
side
same.
must be same.
Hmm.
Okay, all
Right.
network portions in all parts of all octets should be same. Otherwise, we can't communicate. Very good.
Sir, can you repeat once again the identify class?
Identification of class. Okay, good.
Hmm.
This is the class ranges. So class A, class B, class C, total class C, D, E. So each class has a certain range. Okay, by dividing with binary summation kind of stuff. Okay, so depends upon first octet of an IP address, first octet of an IP address. If you write an IP address like this, you have to look at the first portion only, the first only. So if you check it in the range, it is in that range. So we have to tell this is the class. Okay,
Okay, sir.
like first class, second class. If you got a 60 marks, which class it is?
Class B, grade B.
60 marks you got it in school or college.
Hmm.
First class, sir.
First class,
Class A.
58. 58 marks only. Percentage, sorry, marks means percentage. Second class, I got 45. So not 40, 44. This is my score in my intermediate. Which class it is? Third class, right? You got a 75.
Distinction.
Distinction. 95.
God, sir.
Maybe maybe rare person. So better to kill this person.
Yes.
God. Sir, what is this PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4, and PC5?
System names.
What is the difference between them?
System computer. It's a computer, like computer, one more computer, or maybe a device computer. Maybe college or anywhere you see the computers, right? So I put a name for the computer. If you check your computer name, something name is there, no? Like this, name of the computer. Okay, not a,
No.
not a different thing. It is a name of the computer. So each computer we assign a IP address. That's it. Yeah, tell me.
If network is same and host is different, then we cannot communicate with the other system.
Network is
Host
different.
if network is same and host is different, then we cannot communicate with other system.
So network is
We can
same.
communicate.
Host is different.
Yeah, yeah.
So network is same. Host is different. We can communicate. Okay,
Okay.
we can communicate.
Sir, how to communicate with another network people?
You tell me what is required.
Then what PC
Yes, sir.
By router or switch, you can communicate between them, sir.
What is which device connects two different logical networks. Which device? Hub, switch, router. Which one?
Router.
Connects different logical
No,
networks.
no, switch.
Router. Interconnecting device, right? It is an interconnecting device. Two different networks it will connect.
Okay, sir.
Okay, router. Switch to within the network. Switch don't understand any IP address, only MAC address only. If in case for PC6 I use this IP address, what will happen? So I have a 6 PCs now. What will happen?
Switch.
Host portion, network portion. Network portion is same. Host portion also same. Then what happen?
They will communicate with each
The
No,
duplicate
both are
IP.
Yeah, duplicate. I think who asked me a question like different host address they can communicate or not, like that? Pallavi. Okay. Pallavi, your name is Pallavi. Other person also name is Pallavi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I call Pallavi. Tell me what is a PC4 IP address. Actually, I ask you, but other Pallavi also respond, right? And you also get a doubt. So to whom am I asking? Okay. Two Pallavis are there. Then if you ask a question,
Yes,
and
sir.
which Pallavi should answer?
Both
Got it?
they will confuse, sir.
Confusion will occur, right?
Sir, both. Yes, sir.
Both will give answer. It is called a conflict. IP conflict. If both devices having same IP address, both devices can have same name but should not have a same IP address. Same means both network and host portion is a complete IP address should not be same. So either you should have mainly network portion should be same. Host portion is a 1 2 3 kind of stuff, means compulsory little bit different must be there. Host portion must be different. Network portion must be same.
Okay, sir.
So here I think I've written or not. Okay. Yeah, I will give. Host portion. I will write here again. So see here it is. So network portion must be same, and host portion must be different. Otherwise, what happen? Conflict will occur.
Conflict of
Okay, if same IPs. Okay, if two or more devices has same IP address, IP conflict. No. Conflict. Yeah, conflict occurs. Okay, be careful. If you want an example, I will give. My roll number is 402. Okay, and other 402 also there in my same class. Okay, same branch. So mine is a 05 candidate. It means I joined in 2005 as a latter entry. This is candidate is 04. So in a final year, what happened at a final year? So they combined both the sessions, so they got a confused between these two things. So the guy taken in one 402 402. So he didn't mention 05 candidate or 04 candidate. So what happened? If I absent, I get present. Other person will get absent. He didn't write a one internal exam, two internal exams he didn't write, and so my college people put a fine on it. I paid 50 rupees. Okay, Each exam is 25 rupees fine. So he didn't write a 2 examination. I paid a 50 rupees fine. And I got his attendance also. Otherwise, I have to pay 300 rupees or 600 rupees, something is there. Understand conflict? If two people are having a same name or a same number, so if you ask a question, definitely to whom I'm asking, no one knows. So same thing as like it. So if both both systems having a same IP address, conflict will occur. Okay, guys, practice how to identify a IP address, which class it is, and next one is once you identify class, identify what is the network portion. I given only example on this one only. Okay, now people are hungry and yeah, I remember, guys. Okay, take a lunch break and back at 2:45. Everybody should be there. I will start at 3 o'clock. Is today
Sir, what
madam class is there or not?
No, sir.
No? So okay. We'll continue up to 5:30 only because I have to go out for my gas cylinder. Okay,
Right.
clear up to here?
Yes.
Okay. So try to identify,
yes, sir.
then you will get it. Yeah, tell me.
So what about class D and class C? Yeah, they still have to be taught. How to identify what networks in class D and class C?
What is the network portion and host portion? Actually, class D not mentioned with network and host portion because it used by a service or a protocols only. Okay.
Okay.
Like.
Answer.
This conference is no longer being recorded.